They had an idea. They started to see if it could take sprout. It totally did. It took off. And then it's just kept raising more money and more Canadians have jumped on board.
The idea that Food Banks Canada is so excited about is the Dr. Bonnie Henry pollinator seed packs put together by West Coast Seeds, a Canadian family-run seed company. They had a seedling of an idea to honor the provincial health officer for British Columbia, and that idea has grown to be a big support for food banks across the country.
With 100% of sales proceeds going to Food Banks Canada.
The spring flower seeds are a blend of flowers that attract pollinators to help the bees across Canada as well.
It's really, really important. They're a vital part of our ecosystem.
And every dollar raised is a huge help to the food banks who are struggling with increased need.
What is the situation in food banks across the country right now?
Over 1 million visits were happening every single month in communities across Canada. And since the pandemic, over 50% of food banks have seen extraordinary growth in the number of clients that are needing their services. So every dollar that's raised makes a massive difference.
And that's why the success of this project is inspiring the staff at West Coast Seeds.
Tell me about how it feels for you as a family-owned business to be doing something that's helping food banks right across the country.
Yeah, it's amazing. We thought we would sell maybe 5,000 seed packets. That's like a good amount of seed packets for us. And within 2 days, we had completely sold out.
How much do the seed packages cost, and how much have you been able to raise so far?
Yeah, so the seed packets cost $5.89 each. We've sold about 25,000 packets, which equates to over $175,000 to the food banks. We're eager to hit 200,000.
With donations going to the province the purchase was made in.
Every single dollar that's raised is able to provide 2 meals to people in need in communities. And the funds that are being raised are being shared in communities coast to coast to coast in every part of the country.
And perfect timing with green thumbs across the country itching to get outdoors.
This year especially, everybody's really excited to get out and plant some flowers, be outside.
Yeah, it's also been a huge push to growing your own food. That's been a very, very popular. People even on balconies out in Toronto and in Vancouver and Calgary.
Is there any plan to honor other provinces as far as their health units?
We definitely would like to continue to rule this model of doing 100% of sales proceeds to organizations and be able to raise funds and raise awareness.
In Toronto, Audra Brown, City News.